Good morning, you guys, or afternoon, wherever you're at. So I got my coffee today and I wanted to do a little vlog on organizing my pack system and just getting some things cleared out. I got some PR packages in to unbox with you guys, some makeup, some skincare, some super cute candles, and yeah, I just want to go through and kind of show you guys my pack system. So if you guys remember the last time that we left off, I had already kind of organized and showed you guys this side. I got this side all put together. It's been a minute on me finishing this video up, and I was like, I got some packages in today. I need to put some makeup up and show you guys what all I did with these drawers. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Grab you a snack, get you a coffee, let's hang out, girl. So I just literally got this package in today from Glow Recipe, and I was so excited to unbox it because I've been eyeing this toner online and they sent over this super cute collection. So this is the Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner. I love the packaging on this. I bet it smells amazing. So it says it has hyaluronic acid, cactus water, and willow bark. And they sent over this really cute little hat, and we got this scarf. I think this is a little scarf. Yeah, this cute little summer scarf. And then I think every year they do like a pride collection, so everything is rainbow themed in here. Even the little packing things, these are like little hearts. I thought that was super cute. And they also sent over another one of my favorite serums. So this is just the OG Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrop. Love it. It's so moisturizing, and I love the watermelon scent. And plus, I'm a sucker for anything with niacinamide in it. So thank you so much, Glow Recipe. I thought this package was so cute. And then I just got through filming a reel for IG, and I wanted to show you guys these really pretty candles I got in because I knew my pink girlies would love them. So these are handmade, and these are from Suret. I think it's Suret Luxury Candles. I thought this teddy bear one was so freaking cute. It kind of reminds me of my little Grand Floors Eternity Rose Bear. And then they also sent me this rose one. Another pink one. And then I love this little like knitted heart. So cute. Her candles are really affordable, so I'll link her shop. I think it's an Etsy shop. I'll link it in my description if you guys want to check her out and support a small business. Got another package in from Pixi. They sent over their rose tonic. I love their toners, and especially anything rose scented. I got this really cute glowy lip oil. It kind of reminds me of the old school ones, like back in the day when you were a kid. I love it though. It's super glossy and it smells so good. And then we got the Pixi Rose Radiance Perfector. This is just gonna give you like a little bit of a glow on your skin. So yeah, I wanted to put some of this stuff away and then go through some of these drawers over here. So I wanted to get some of my makeup out of my vanity, and I wanted this top drawer to kind of be dedicated to like new products I'm trying, or just some of my like these MAC's lipsticks. It's kind of like a little collector's piece or whatever. Just some of my favorite go-tos. So this drawer is kind of random, but normally when I get new stuff in, I try to put it in this top drawer first, sit out, try it. That way I don't forget, because when I put stuff in my vanity, girl, it'll be another month or two and then I'm finding it and I'm like, oh, what happened to it? It gets too crazy over there because I don't keep it organized. So I need to make some room for that new stuff. I got these in from Maylee's. I think I got these last year. I've opened a couple of them, but I haven't used them much. I still need to try them out. But like this one is a Lift and Firm breast mask. I don't think I'm gonna be needing this right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that out. We'll save that for a later time. This one is the Be Thick. This is a booty enhancing mask. Yeah, and these things are super expensive. I've tried this one. It does burn a little. We'll keep it. I've already got one of these sitting on top of my vanity, so we're gonna stick that back there. All these Benefit mascaras I wanted to try, so I put these in the top drawer, and then these are like restocks on my brow pencils. This one's my all-time favorite. It's like my go-to brow pencil. Since they've been sending these, I switched from the ABH Brow Wiz to this, and this is in shade number 4. And then over here I've got my blinged brushes. I used to have these in a cute little acrylic case on my vanity, and I just kind of ran out of room. So I've been keeping them in here, that way I can still see them because they're just so pretty not to display. Got some new SL Miss Glam brushes that I still need to, incorporate into my routine, but they're always so pretty and I never want to use them. A lot of my pixi stuff I put in here. And then I was wanting to try this brow gel. And then over here I put some of like my most used palettes. Like I've been loving this Too Faced Born This Way one, this Dior highlighter palette. And then I just put these over here to display them because these are some of my Too Faced palettes that are from the Christmas collection, and I still use a lot of these. And then over here, some stuff I got in from Too Faced. Slip that right there. And then I put a lot of these pixi. So these are like the pixi skin treats. This one's the vitamin C makeup mist. This one is the Rose. And then the Clarity. I still, these are still unopened. I still need to try those. Really need to get some more organizers. So this one right here is wood. It's from For Her Vanity. I'm supposed to be coming back sometime, but I put all of my like MAC compacts in here, and then some of these like my Too Faced one, these P. Louise, just some of my like collector's pieces or whatever. I just thought they were pretty to display back here. So that's the deal with that one. It's not that organized. Everything's laid out pretty flat, but I haven't been able to find any like really deep organizers that I like without everything being all toppled on each other to where you can't see it. So this way it's really easy. Like I can see every little thing. So the second drawer is kind of just it's a pretty mess. Let's put it that way. So over here, I got some hand mirrors. We got some clips. We got some little hair ties, headbands, that jazz. And then over here, my Juicy Couture perfumes, I just kind of wanted to put them all together and display them because they look cute. That's one reason why I wanted to go with these clear glasses. This one is one of my favorites. This one's the Lay Bubbly. And if I had to pick my top two, it would be Lay Bubbly and then the Suret. Like you can tell, she is almost empty. This one smelled so good. In fact, this one was probably my top juicy favorite of all time. Over here, we just got this cute little mug, this little bedazzle mug with some lotions, my SL Miss Glam brushes, this little Impressions vanity mirror, because I keep a lot of my stuff from my purse back here, like my lotions, hand sanitizers, some wristlets, little minis and stuff. And then back here, I put a lot of my Too Faced palettes. These are like my old school ones. Like these are years old. I'm not really using these anymore, but I don't want to get rid of them. This peach one, girl, I used to use that one like every single day when it came out. And then the semi-sweet chocolate one, I remember finding that at TJ Maxx and I was so happy. Over here, we got some brushes. We got some bling brushes. We got some SL Miss Glam. Some more PR stuff that I need to try. I didn't want to unbox it or anything, so I just kept it in here till I need to use it. We got some Too Faced Hangover Pillow Balm, which is a favorite of mine. The Benefit Professional Primer. I love this primer. I picked up an extra Polite Society lip pout, and then this is an eyebrow boosting serum from Obagi. I think that's how you pronounce it. And then just some random stuff. We got some Beauty Stat. And then I don't use these all the time. These were sent to me from Maylee's. These are like inner thigh cream, firming cream things. What else was in here? Yeah, Lift and Firm. It's like most of them are targeted towards your arms. I notice results when I do use them somewhat. This one's a firming belly cream. Like this one I have used, but these other two for the arms I've just not really used them. I probably need to just declutter those at some point. And then over here is just random like mini stuff I've gotten like free from Sephora, or just some more stuff that I need to try. Okay, the third drawer. So the third drawer is, let's see, we got hats and we got candles. I know, girl, it's random. So let's go through. We got some beanies over here. These are so cute. I just wanted to keep these out, keep them displayed because they're pretty. I know it's not winter time. We got some swimsuits. All of these hats. Ooh, girl, my voice is getting raspy. All of these hats right here are ones that I found at TJ Maxx or Burlington. Most of them are. A lot of my Juicy hats. Oh, they're so pretty. We got some Barbie ones, more Juicy. Back when I was on this kick, it's giving Britney Spears. And then a lot of these candles are just some of my ones that are like halfway burnt down, but collectors, I guess is what you would say. These were some of my like all-time favorite collections from Bath and Body Works, and I just didn't want to throw them away because they still have a little bit left to burn. Like the champagne toast one right here, this candle still has a lot left, and I loved this label. It was one of my favorite Christmas ones. Side note, has anybody noticed that Bath and Body Works here lately? Girl, I have not shopped at Bath and Body Works in I don't know how long. Their candle packaging, first off, their candles are up to like what, 25 bucks now, maybe even more. Second off, the packaging is just so bland and so boring. Like, can we get some of this back, please? Am I the only one? Down in this drawer, I have bags and mugs. You may be asking, girl, what in the hell do you have mugs in your pack system for? So if you're an OG subscriber, you know I used to have a little pink Keurig in here and a little coffee station. And when I got my pack system, I was not sure if I was going to keep that in my room. Ultimately, I got it out, but I just keep some of these mugs in here because they're cute to display. A lot of these ones have very happy memories because I remember searching for weeks at TJ Maxx for them, like this Hello Kitty. And then we've got, this one's one of my all-time favorites. I remember when I first started my IG page. This one's from Vanity Chic Boutique. I think that, yeah, Vanity Chic Boutique, I think. Vintage Chic Diva, sorry. Vintage Chic Diva sent me this, and I love that mug. It's one of my favorites. We got more Hello Kitty and then some Target, Starbucks, the Barbie mug that took me forever to find at Walmart, and I was so happy. So I just keep these here. I don't know, they're cute. So back here I got some bags. This one is from Cozy Pink Haven. This Barbie one is from Claire's when the Barbie movie came out last summer. It's just not so pretty. Juicy Couture. This furry one back here is really cute. It has a chain on it, and it's from With Love Shop. And then over here, this little random Temu bag. This Juicy Couture bag I found at Plato's Closet. And then we got a SL Miss Glam travel case. And then this little Ted Baker bag. Eventually, I'll probably get these coffee mugs out of here because I know it doesn't really make sense. And I'll probably just make this a full, like, mini bag drawer. But for now, they're sitting here resting pretty and displayed. And then the last part up top, this, you guys have probably, I think you've seen this before. I'm thinking about, I have one more shelf that I didn't put in. And I'm thinking about adding one more shelf to kind of close this space in right here. On this shelf, I've just got some of my favorite bags. If you guys see any you like, you can go back through my channel. I did unboxings on all of these. And then up here we have, oh, I forgot this was even up here. This is from For Her Vanity. I have some of my hand mirrors displayed in that. This is so cute. Some more bags back here. The Chanel one is my favorite. I think this was like a rendition on the 90s Barbie collection from Chanel. Is this one not gorgeous? My Kate Spade tweed, which is still a go-to bag for me. And then this little LV. And then these right here. This one back here, I swear, I only carry it like Valentine's Day. Like, this is my Valentine's Day bag. If we're going out, this is my Valentine's. For some reason, with the little red heart, it just gives Valentine's vibes. So I don't carry that one too much, but I do probably need to move these over so you can actually see it because it is a very, very cute bag. So yeah, that is it for the pack system. I just wanted to show you guys the last of it that I got organized. If you guys enjoy these types of videos, a little organization, collection tours, leave this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, other than that, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope you all have a great weekend. I love you so much, and I will see you back here on my next one. Bye, loves.